Heart on fire, shot clock screaming, still climb higher. Left fade, right cut, dust in the air. 3 bodies on him, he don't care. Hey, that boy shaking rims on ring, every step heavy like the king. Jordan bounce, flow gon' break when he come down. Whole crowd roar, like a storm when he take off now. Jordan bounce, hang in the air till the world slow down. One flick, one shot, net snap, clean, back. Sweat on jersey, eyes on gold, logo jumper, ice cold soul, blood on hardwood, scars on knees, build that legend. On nights like these, hey, coaches yelling, fans gon' mad, every kid watching wants that swag. Jordan bounce, floor gon' break when he come down. Whole crowd roar, like a storm when he take off now. Jordan bounce, hang in the air till the world slow down. One flick, one shot, net snap, clean, back. Game tied, no rest, giving that rock, clear out, no help. Step back, hold those, time stops, eyes closed. All you hear is hold, and that net explode. Jordan bounce, floor gon' break when he come down. Whole crowd roar, like a storm when he take off now. Jordan bounce, hang in the air till the world slow down. One flick, one shot, net snap, clean, that crowd.
Yeah. We don't wait. We take it. Fast life, no breaks, we go from the dirt, now we run the show. No luck, just grind, just pain. Now we up, we break the chain. Cold nights, no lights, just fight. Now it's flash, big stage, bright lights. From the bottom to pro, we climb. No fear, this is our time. No stops, no doubts. We in right now. We go fast, so we go hard. From nothing, now we go far. No fear, no limits, no stop. We aim for the top. We go fast, so we go hard. Turn a dream into real life now. From the street to the pro lights glow. We don't stop, we go. We go. One shot, one chance, he took it. No fear, no doubt, just push it. From D to B, big step. Now we here, no rest. Every day he trained for this. Now he lives what dream is. No luck, just sacrifice. Now he plays under bigger lights. Dream, don't stop. Big game, it's real. Train fight, pain, you feel. Push hard, no excuses. Top level, that's the goal. We choose it.
alle Riz e il San Gaetano Calcio, bianco e rosso. Ci sono storie che non si spiegano, si vivono. Più di 10 anni insieme. Sei arrivato che eri un ragazzo, 18 anni, e sei diventato giorno dopo giorno, partita dopo partita, un giocatore forte. Abbiamo vinto insieme. Abbiamo esultato, urlato, festeggiato. E sì, abbiamo anche sofferto per le sconfitte, ma sempre dalla stessa parte. Ci hai fatto sognare con il tuo sinistro, gol, assist e giocate, che rimarranno per sempre. Ma oltre a tutto questo, ci hai lasciato qualcosa di più grande. Ci hai insegnato l'appartenenza. Giocatore forte, ma soprattutto uomo vero, capitano sempre. Questo non è un addio. Grazie Riz. Sarai per sempre leggenda.